Hi, I'm Doita and today we are going to do water filtration. So let's get started. First we need a bottle. You have to ask a parent to cut it using a blade. Then we have to flip the top part of the bottle like this and put it into the bottom part of the bottle like this. Yes. Then we have to take some cotton and put it into the bottle. Then we have to take some sand and put it inside. Put charcoal in it. I collected this charcoal in a campfire. When the wood cooled down, I just picked them. Okay, then we need some pebbles. I collected them from a beach. Water filtration, we also need some dirty water, some muddy water. We have to fill it until the top. If your bottle is 1 liter, then you have to give lots of items. If it's 2 liter, then you have to give more. We have to keep filling until it's full. Not full, because we need to give stones also. Yes. Then we need some pebbles. To come down. This might take a few minutes. And the water is falling. It might get messy. And see, here, clear water is coming out instead of the dirty water. Wow, see, it's white. All the particles have been cleared. All the particles. Now let's watch the clear and clean water coming out. So this water is black and it's dirty. And see, white water is coming out of it. We have to pour the remaining water. Ooh, clear water is coming out. Look. So this is water filtration. So if you take the filtration paper and fold it like a cone, then put wheat and water mixed together, clear water will come out instead of the wheat and water mixture. So you can see here, let's take it off. See, clear water has come out. This is not drinkable. Let's transfer this here. Yeah, so you can see clear water came out of this jar instantly. This might take a few moments to take out clean water. You can do this too in river water and lake water. You can take river water or lake water, then put stones, pebbles, sand and cotton like this, which we did right now, and then you'll get it. And then from the river waters you can clean that water. This water is not drinkable. If you boil the water, then this will be pure for drinking. All the germs will die of the heat. So you can even drink the water which is present in rivers, lakes or ponds. So here you saw that the water which was black became white.